team of reporters there in different parts of the city and of the state, getting you an update as far as when it comes to an orange alert that has also been now issued on part of the IMD. And images that are coming in from the Raigad Fort, dramatic images that are coming in, where after the rains, the heavy rains that have been reported, 30 people nearly stranded, the rescue operations that have been taking place. Let me straight away go across to Arunil. Arunil, dramatic pictures that have come in. And of course, when it comes to several other areas, we have seen such kind of videos. Unfortunately, many people did make it, many others did not. However, when it comes to such a scenario that is being witnessed, this is the same story, Arunil, that repeats almost every year.
Well, unfortunately, that is the case. Same story repeats every year. Speaking about areas other than Mumbai, the coastal belt, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Raigad also, this horrific video is from the Raigad Fort. Many of the tourists want to go to Raigad Fort to pay tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. However, there is a big question mark that why authorities are letting them go, especially when heavy rainfall is predicted. Because you can see many of them were stranded on this fort with a strong, intense water stream flowing through the staircase because of heavy rainfall on the hilltop. Now, at present, I'm reporting from the Western Express Highway as well. Whenever there is heavy rainfall in Mumbai, traveling from the Mumbai western suburbs to the main town, that is towards South Mumbai, becomes a Herculean task. Jam-packed traffic, bumper-to-bumper traffic can be seen on the Western Express Highway as well. My video journalist Rajesh Khade is giving us these visuals, be it on the main flyover or the road that is beneath it. Jam-packed bumper-to-bumper traffic can be seen. Speaking about railways as well, especially on the central lines between Bhandup to Nahur, the train services were affected because the railway lines went submerged inside water, and because of that, many of the commuters were forced to get down, alight from the train and walk on the roads as well. Indigo has also given out an advisory basically saying that either the money of the passengers will be refunded or the passengers have been requested by them to take alternate routes. Several places in Mumbai, low-lying places, have been submerged. Now, the rainfall started at around 1 a.m. last night, according to the BMC statement. At present, the rains have mellowed down, but unfortunately, the waterlogging has not receded. This puts a big question mark on BMC's preparation as well as the measures that they have taken yet again, because every year this is the sorry story the city of Mumbai experiences. Remember, the BMC is the richest civic body across Asia, having a budget of more than 40,000 crore. Despite that, the plight of Mumbaikars every monsoon is unfortunately sorry.
Well, that's the point there, because the visuals on your screens that we are playing out are dramatic, and this is coming in from Raigad, the Raigad Fort. Let's quickly explain those pictures for our viewers, because what you see during the time of the year, of course, this is also the monsoon season, but also when it comes to vacations that are happening, and many of the tourists, the footfall that you witness in the state of Maharashtra and many of the areas, many become victims when it comes to the fury of nature. And that is exactly what is being witnessed when it comes to the tourists. They are being stranded. This is the Raigad Fort that we are getting you the pictures. And no, this is from the inside the fort that these pictures are coming in. This is not some kind of a waterfall that it may appear, because this is when it comes to the heavy stream of waterfall or the water that can be witnessed, and of course surrounded by mountainous region, this becomes a very treacherous trekking also for those people who kind of seek adventure in these areas of Maharashtra. Picturesque, yes, of course, but it is also dangerous at the same time. Looking at those pictures, and when it comes to the nature's fury, and the flow of the water is so high that it impacts when it comes to the tourists there who have been affected and who have been stranded. These are the pictures coming in from the Raigad Fort. In the meantime, let's also talk about the citizens there as far as from the financial capital this morning, how they have been stranded, how they have been affected because of the downpour.
मुंबई पानी हर साल का वही टेंशन, हमारा BMW वहाँ फंसा है। अभी सरकार से क्या, बारिश है तो क्या सरकार को बोलेंगे, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है। जैसे बारिश में अभी क्या ये नेचुरल फ्लड है, उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते ना, खाली बिली किसके ऊपर दोष दे के फायदा नहीं।
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी बढ़ता है इधर पे, कभी कोई चीज की सुविधा नहीं होती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
हाँ तकलीफ हुआ, मेरे गाड़ी फंसा पड़ा है उधर अंदर पानी में। इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। अभी बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है भाई।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे विड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया किधर, बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसे जाएगा बारिश में, ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।